Turing Group and welcome to Monday's maths lesson. Don't worry, you haven't clicked on the wrong video. Miss Pearson and Miss Bishop are busy in school, so I'll be doing your maths videos this week. And today you're going to be recapping on your arithmetic. Okay, so hopefully you can all see the questions on the slides. They're available on the website. If you look in the Cedar class or Willow class file, it should come under Turing Group for today's date. I'll just quickly whiz through them in case you haven't, and you can pause the video and maybe write them on a piece of paper quickly. And what I would like you to do is to try and solve these yourselves as much as you can, and then rejoin the video where you will see me solve them so you can mark your work. And if there are any that you've got incorrect, you can see how I've solved it, and hopefully it will help you to spot any mistakes in your maths. Okay, so the first one is 13 times 0. So hopefully you remember that if you multiply a number by 0, you will always get the answer 0. So give yourself a tick if you managed to get that one right. Okay, for question 2, you had 7,900 divided by 1,000. So hopefully you remember that if we divide a number by 1,000, the digits move to the right 3 times, in which case you would have the 0 sent over, this 0 sent over, and the 9. The 7 would remain here in the ones column, so you should have put 7.9. You would kind of ignore these zeros because they're not worth anything. So yeah, 7.9. Okay, for question 3, you had 11 times 8. So a bit of practice with your times tables. Hopefully you've put the answer 88. So give yourself a tick if you got that right. Okay, for number 4, you had 2,696 add 400. So I've laid mine out in the column method. And we're starting off with our ones. 6 add 0 is 6. 9 add 0 is 9. 6 add 4 is 10. So we put the 0 and carry the 1. 2 add 1 is 3. So you should have got 3,096. Give yourself a tick. Okay, then we had some more column addition here. We had the numbers 15,346 add 14,783. So again, we're going to start with the lowest value numbers. 6 add 3, which is 9. 4 add 8, which is 12. So we put the 2 and carry the 1. 7 add 3 is 10. Add that 1 makes 11. So we put the 1 and carry the 1. 5 add 4 is 9. Add 1 more is 10. So we put the 0 and carry the 1. And then we've got 1, 2, 3. So hopefully you got 30,129. Okay, then you had 7 sixteenths, take away 4 sixteenths. So it's always out of 16, so that denominator doesn't change. So we're just thinking we've got kind of 7 parts of 16, take away 4 of them, which would leave us with 3. Okay, and then you had this missing number problem. So something add 565 equals 1,400. Now I would do the inverse operation here to find the missing number. So I would do 1,400 take away 565 to find that missing number. And this is going to involve quite a bit of exchanging. So I can't do 0 take away 5, so I'd need to look over to exchange, and I can't take anything from 0, so I need to go over to the hundreds column and exchange from that 4 to turn this into 10, and then exchange that over, turning that into 9. So we've got 10 take away 5, which is 5, 9 take away 6, which is 3. I can't do 3 take away 5, so I'd need to exchange from that 1 in the hundreds and carry it over. 13 take away 5 is 8. So you should have got 835. Okay, then you had 12 squared. Now hopefully you remember if you square a number, you times it by itself. So you should have done 12 times 12, which is 144. Okay, then we had a column subtraction. This one involves quite a bit of exchanging too. So we'll start off again with our lowest value number, which is our ones column. 7 take away 6 is 1. I can't do 1 take away 7, so I need to exchange from the 4, turning that into 11. 11 take away 7 is 4. I can't do 3 take away 5, so I need to exchange from the 6, making that 13 take away 5, which leaves me with 8. 5 take away 4 leaves me with 1, and 3 take away 1 leaves me with 2. So hopefully you've got 21,841. Okay, and then you had 217 take away something, left us with 24. So I thought we could almost see this as a bar model, that we've got a total of 217. We've taken away something and we've been left with 24. So we could do 217 take away 24 to find the missing number. So 7 take away 4 leaves me with 3. I can't do 1 take away 2, so I'd need to exchange, making that 11. 11 take away 2 is 9. And 1 take away nothing is 1. So the missing number then would have been 193. Okay, then we had 56 times 5. So we'll use our written method. We'll start off with 5 times 6. So hopefully you know that was 30. So we'll put the 0 and carry over the 3. 5 times 5 is 25, and then we'll add that 3 on. So 25, 26, 27, 28. So you should have got 280. Then you had 76 add 3.4. So this is kind of testing your place value knowledge really about where you put those numbers in the column method. So the 3 should have gone underneath the 6, and then your decimal point with the 4. So we know our answer is going to have 0.4. 6 add 3 is 9. 7 add nothing is 7. So you should have had 79.4. Okay, then we had 7 times 5 times 5. So the trick with this is just to kind of break it down. So we'll start off with 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. And then we'll do 35 times 5 using that method we've just practiced. So 5 times 5 is 25. I'll put my 5 and carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15. Add the 2, 15, 16, 17. So you should have had 175. Okay, we're nearly there, just 2 more questions to go. You were given this subtraction, and again, this has a lot of exchanging involved as well. So I can't do 1 take away 6, I need to exchange from that 2. 11 take away 6 leaves me with 5. I can't do 1 take away 7, so I need to exchange from the 4. 11 take away 7 leaves me with 4. I can't do 3 take away 8, so I need to exchange again from the 6, making that 13. 13 take away 8 leaves me with 5. 5 take away 4 leaves me with 1, as does 3 take away 2. So you should have had 11,545. Okay, and then the final question was 6.5 times 1,000. So when we multiply a number by 10, 100 or 1,000, it moves to the left. And with 1,000, we're moving it 3 times. So we can almost put 3 decimal points like this so that we don't lose track. So we're going to move the 5 over. That's once. And then we know that we'd add a place value 0. And another place value 0. So you should have had the answer of 6,500. Okay, and that's it for today. So well done for all of your hard work, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.